Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Bachelor question paper of year 2016. Today we will start with question number 9. In question number 9 it has been said that fx is the function max of cos x and x square where x lies between 0 to pi by 2. This is the range of x. Now if x0 is the solution of the equation cos x is equal to x square in 0 to pi by 2, in open interval 0 to pi by 2, then f is continuous only at x0. Option B is f is not continuous at x0. Option C is f is continuous everywhere and differentiable only at x0, and option D is f is differentiable everywhere except at x0. So let us first start by drawing the graph. So what we will do, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now let us find out, this is pi by 2, let this be pi by 4, and this is pi by 2, and this is 0. Let me rub it out and make it more clear over here. Let this be pi by 4. Now cos, and this is 1 and this is minus 1. Okay. Now cos of x is basically, cos of x goes like cos of x will be like this. At x equal to 0 cos of x will be 1, and x equal to pi by 2 cos of x will be 0. So this is cos of x. So this is cos of x. Now we'll try to draw x square. Now x square will be something like this. X square will be something like this. So as you can see that x square and cos of x intersect at some point. Let this as it has been already mentioned, this point is the point x0. Now we don't know that whether x0 lies to the left of pi by 4 or to the right of pi by 4. We are not concerned with that. We are concerned with just the intersection point. So this is the graph in question. So now we have been said that x lies between 0 to pi by 2. So we have to rub out the other portions of the graph. So what we'll do, we'll cut out the rest portions. So the rest portion will look something like this. Yeah. The rest portion will look something like this. Okay. So upon modification the graph looks like this. Upon modification the graph looks like this. Cos of x is denoted by this portion and this is denoted by this portion. So max will be denoted by this portion with the shaded portion. Let me show it by separate color. Let me take the color black. So max will be shown by between from 0 to x0. We see that this portion denotes the maximum value of fx. This is x0, and from x0 to x by 2, this denotes the maximum value. So the graph is, this black color curve is the f of x is equal to max of cos of x and x square. So as you can see that f is continuous in between 0 to pi by 2, but at this point where x is equal to x0, we see that this is a sharp point, or we can also say it as king point. Now a point that has to be remembered always is that a function is never differentiable at its kink point or sharp point. So as you can see that at x that x is equal to x naught, there is a sharp point. So we can say that f is continuous everywhere in the interval 0 to pi by 2, but it is not differentiable at x naught. So the correct option is option D, where it has been mentioned that f is differentiable everywhere but not differentiable at x naught. So this is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 9 from the ISI Bachelor question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Substance Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.